I recently redesigned a Supercuts into a luxury braiding salon, but we used the full budget on the front, including this beautiful mirror from our house. So I had no idea how I was going to handle the back, but I wanted it to be perfect. So I used AI to help me generate some images on what I could do with the bathroom that would be impactful, quick, and use my client's brand colors. We landed on this funky tangerine and grape color combination and got some colors from Benjamin Moore and made sure it was cohesive with what we wanted to go for. For the funky artwork, we wanted to use a kind of early 2000s vibe, but use the client's brand colors. To save money, we also used old records that we got in thrift stores, and we did the foam panels and the painting ourselves. My clients are these really powerful Black women who want to do something beautiful with the braiding industry, so I gifted this bathroom because I wanted to really make an impactful statement for all of their clients. We wanted to bring some earthy elements into the bathroom to reflect the rugs outside. So using more AI-generated art, we went with a decoupage craft, turning the AI-generated art into a really cool decoupage basket, which we found 16 of for only $25 on the marketplace. The end result gave us a lot of stunning pieces to work with in the front and the back. We got a lot of progress done, but I still needed to find the right mirror for this space. So we went to Restore and we found this mirror for only $25. And even though it's a little bit oversized, it actually worked well with the way that the rest of the art played with proportion and color and size and shape. So we finally turned this bathroom with $250 into this. And it is fun, it's funky, it's for the girlies, it works with the aesthetic, and it gives kind of the same fun early 2000s vibe that the front gives.